Is there really an oversupply of condo in Metro Manila? The answer is yes. According to the reports, there is a 29 months worth of oversupply of condos in Metro Manila, mainly in Quezon City, Pasay, and Ortigas. But according to the experts, it's not really bad at all. In fact, it's really a perfect time for buyers and investors to secure their units because developers are now giving discounts and excellent deals. But when it comes to places like Makati and BGC in Taguig, the demand is still high. The inventory is low. Gaya na lang ng Uptown Arts Residence na 3 units na lang ang natitira the time na in-upload ko tong video, and yung Uptown Modern na we just launched less than a year ago na almost 50% sold na. So if naghahanap kayo ng safe and stable investment in the middle of this condo oversupply dilemma, check the Uptown Modern in Uptown BGC. No down payment required and 0% interest. Also, prime yung location dahil walking distance sa mga malls, prestigious schools, multinational offices, and hospital. 8 kilometers away lang din from an international airport. Semi-furnished, merong hotel-type amenities and surrounded ng mga ongoing developments. So if you have any question or concerns, feel free to comment down below or send a direct message and I will be happy to answer it. Salamat!